Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you enjoy your day. Hope you enjoy your week and you're having a great time. And you're ready for the weekend. It's Friday, almost 12 p.m. for my lunch. Anyway, so today we're gonna talk about how you can build an app for your social influencer or your YouTube kind of influencer, so you have your own app. All right. So as usual, you go to DIYapps.ca. This is where you build premium apps at an affordable price and at premium features. All right. So click on Get Started. From here, you can be able to build, let's go social and content. All right. So today we're gonna focus on. We did one for the podcast. We did one for public figures. So today we're gonna do YouTube. So people who are like YouTube influencers, or you pretty much like a social influencer and things like that, you can have your own app, have your own control. All right. And above all, you expand your community and your loyal base and be able to provide premium content apart from other platforms. All right, so when you're ready to go, click on Start with this template. Put the app name, select your industry, your name, email, password, agree to the terms and privacy, and then hit on Get Started. It will take you to this wonderful app builder dashboard. As you can see, on the left side, we have the app itself. On the right side, we have the menus. And in the middle, we have information. So if you want anything to do with the platform, with the plugins, which we also call features, and how to get started, all the information is there. So if you want also to learn more, you just want to take time and learn. So we hit the learn more button, and also it's here. You go back to the website. It's use this DIYapps.ca, and then click on learn more. Takes you to our knowledge base, and same features you see on the middle section of the dashboard, they're all here. And then the beauty is premium preview. Sorry, I love premium. Anyways, preview. If you want to preview the app on your phone, just scan the QR code, and then, or you can text it to someone or text it to yourself, and you're able to preview the app. And then once everyone is happy, your client is happy, you are happy, everyone's like, okay, go ahead and publish. You can click on the upgrade button, choose one of our plans. Definitely the 21-day period, you'll be able to either use it up or things like that. And then you can use our DIY apps 100 user code, discount code, to help you get $100 off for the first 6 months, and you can be able to develop, at least enjoy your app as a gift to you. And the other piece will be the language. So let's say you want to develop you can change the language of the platform, but you don't change the language of the app. So if you want to do the app languages, then you might need to add a couple screens to be able to help with the translation and things like that. So that's pretty much the dashboard and the intro I wanted to show you guys and gals. If I find my mouse, okay, there you go. So you wanna hit the home. So the home gives you, wow, I didn't expect that, but expect the unexpected. All right, so this particular, because this is it's a app for your YouTube and things like that. let's try this. I'm curious now. All right. So as you can see, this particular app, they don't have the typical home screen. Okay. So what they have done is they have used the YouTube feature and made it their home screen. So here it shows, it will show his playlist. Okay. And be able to show that. And if you want to edit, if you want to edit, as you can see, you can say DIY apps rocks. Boom, 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 boom. And it shows up here, which is not nice. So we take it out. Okay. Okay, so we put it down here. All right, so you see, shows up. Anyways, we don't need that there, so we'll take it out. All right, so first things first, as you can see, this menu up here, we have it will be the same for all the features, right? So all the plugins will have the same, either will have less or more. So content, design, security, tagging, patches, analytics, this will be the same or more or less for different features. And then you see we have the help. So the help button here helps with each particular feature. You can be able to see how you can set it up and build more information on it. All right, the other piece will be the design. Yeah, so this particular design, as you can see, is a list layout. So not much as the other, either if you're using the outline or you're using the folder structure. So there's nothing much. You only have like 4 options. Let's do that one. Or you can hire us to be able to develop and design your app. You have your security side of things. So as you build your app, different screens, you can be able to lock them down. So lock them so that people need either login, but you can also lock them down further if they have a specific user tags. And that's what you set up here, the user tags. And then we have behavioral tags. So the behavioral tags is each screen you can be able to have a tag. And as people visit different screens and things like that, it gives an idea of which screens are more popular, which screens people like more, how many people have visited those screens, and how many individual people have visited those screens. So that way, with these kind of 2 tags, you can be able to send out also push notifications to those specific user tags. And that way you can also leverage and segment your users. For purchasing, you can be able to do in-app purchases. Analytics, as mentioned, you can be able to see how many people visited the app, the screen, your top users, and you can be able to message them directly and things like that. App components. So my features, as you can see, this one has fewer features, plugins, but other apps, as you have seen on my channel, it shows they have lots of features, right? So it just depends what the client wants. And where do you get these features? You get these features in the marketplace. So marketplace, this is where you get your features. If you need a lot of features, our standard plan will definitely has a lot of features, which are considered premium in other platforms. We have 3 plans. You can whatever plan that you pick, you get access to those features. The way you add a feature to your app, you click on the plus sign. The plus sign, once you click on that, here, it brings it to my features here. And then once it's here, that's when you use it in your app. And when you publish your app only publishes the features that it uses the features that are on the app. The features that are not on the app, they're not getting published, because that way you can be able to save space, save the size of the app. All right, so marketplace side menu. You can use your side menu also to build your app, build to add more menu items if you don't want any items on the home screen. We have the nav bar. So the nav bar is where you can have quick access to different menus that you want, right? So for this particular one, let's say you want people to access your March store, and people can go to your home screen. So your home screen, and then people can game chat, and then just rearrange that. No, you need this one there. Okay. Anyways, the home screen, you can always change that YouTube thing, make it look more. Let me see if I can pick something else. Maybe on Instagram. Yeah, let's just remove this just to make it look nice. Right. Okay. All right. So we'll turn it off because we don't need that. Just wanted to show you. And then we have intro screens. So intro screens, what it does is before they get to the home screen, they can be able to see. You can be able to have 2 or 3 intro screens to introduce them to the app, give them an idea of what they're gonna get them excited on what they're gonna see and get on the app. All right, so the next piece will be the branding. So the branding piece, bring everything together, your brand, your colors and everything to the app. This is where you do that. You can add your logo, add the app icon, app name. So that was the name that will go underneath the icon when someone downloads it. You can have your loading screen. So this guy is like the way we did this. The guy who was working on this did an awesome job on the graphics. So we have the fonts, and also if you want to change your colors and things like that. And it also displays here on the right. And then custom, if you do custom, but you don't need to. You can hire us. You don't need to too. Only, yeah, what did I say? Yeah, you can definitely hire us. So media library. So all the images that are being used on the app, this is where it goes. We don't store any videos. We leverage third-party platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and things like that. Just use those links in the platform, and everything will be great. The login screen. As you build your app, you have different login screens. So this login screen gives you, you can able to customize it so people can be able to like still have that look and feel. This is where you have your settings. If you want them how to Apple sign in, or if you want them to use the Facebook, you can always turn them on. Always turn them on for people. If you want to do customize, you can always customize. So depending on how you would like to collect information, you can use your login screen, your registration screen to collect some information that will help you be able to segment your fans and people who are using your platform. And then the language, this is just the button language that we would like to change. Privacy and terms. So privacy and terms, you can use our default one, or you can always upload yours. Commerce, purchase and credit system, if you want to do in-app purchases and also provide tokens and credit and stuff when people are using your platform. Notifications, I love notifications. Notifications are great. As you build your notifications, you can always group them. Remember those behavioral tags and user tags that we talked about. You can be able to send notification to those particular groups. And then schedule, you can always set up some notifications for the future, and be able to send them. They will automatically send out when those days reach. Geofence is you can do an area. Whoever goes into that area has your app, they get a notification. Either you're going to do like a gaming session, or you're going to do like a social session, and it will notify them about that. Analytics, the push notification analytics gives you how many devices received the app, how many devices received the notification, how many people opened it, and how many people clicked on the action you had on the notification. So that gives you a good idea of what's working and what's not working. So the users, here you can manage the users. You can be able to get the users to use. Okay, so whoever is on the platform has a profile. This is where you manage them. You can also manage the user tags here. You can add admin roles. You can also change the profile language settings. You can also have the abuse report. So let's say you have a chat, and then the people in the chat are not quote unquote nice, and people report them. Then you can be able to see that people who are reported here, either you ban them or you suspend them. If you delete them, they will always come back with the same email. But if you ban or suspend, they will at least they won't be reusing that same email. Analytics. So this is the app analytics, how many people downloaded and how many users you have. And then advanced app permissions, app publishing information gives you step by step on how to publish your app. App marketing gives you an idea of how you can market your app to Apple, Google, and Facebook. And then you can see also settings on how to share your app and integrations, so on and so forth. All right, so to wrap it up, to bring everything home, you can always reach it to us. Support at DIYapps, not support, sorry. Hello at DIYapps.ca, and we'll be gladly to help. I just wanted to show you overall how awesome the platform is, and be able to grow your audience and able to show them like, hey, you can be able to build this yourself. All right, so nothing much on my side. Just wanted to show you this, and have a great weekend. As I mentioned, welcome back to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.